Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1990 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. The minimal function that can be detected at divisible by 3 8421 BCD code digit is given by. Okay, so we have 8421 BCD codes. Out of that one, which are going to be divisible by 3. Okay, that function we have to generate. So first of all, we are going for the input function is nothing but inputs. 8421 code, 8421 BCD is nothing but input code, and for that one our f should be 1 only for the values for which it is going to be divisible by 3. So there are BCD combinations is nothing but BCD, binary coded decimal. So this is, for example, this is given as D8 and it is D4, D2, D1. Okay, and the possible combinations are 0000, 0010, 0011, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0111, 100, 1001. These are nothing but possible boolean possible BCD values. Okay, BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. So decimal values are going to be coded into binary and it will be represented with 4 digits. Okay, so f is going to be 1 only for the number which is going to be divided by 3. So 0 can be divided, so that we can write like this: 0 can be divided, so f can be 1. 1 cannot be divided, 2 cannot be divided, 3 can be divided, 4 cannot be divided, 5 cannot be divided, 6 can be divided, 7 cannot, 8 cannot, 9 can be divided. So that implies nothing but you can write f is equal to, okay, f is equal to sigma m of 0, 3, 6, 9 plus don't cares of. Okay, since you are going with 4 variables but you are using only 10 combinations, the other combinations is nothing but 10 to 16, 10 to 15. They are going to be 6 different combinations that are don't cares. 10 to 15 are not used. Okay, so they will be don't cares. Now we have to use a k-map, 4 variable k-map. For that 4 variable k-map we have to minimize for this function f, so that will be giving the right answer. Okay, so this is 4 variable k-map, and for this 4 variable k-map there will be 16 cells. Okay, and it is having this side it is D8 and D4, this is D2 and D1, and the combinations are 00, 01, 11, 00, 10. This is gray code we follow in the k-map: 01, 11, 10. Now we have to indicate the numbers. For 0 it is 1, for 3 it is 1, for 6 implies nothing but 110. This is, okay, 9 is nothing but 1001. So this is 9, 1001. Next this is 0, 3, 6, 9. Okay, after that one we have to indicate the don't cares. Don't cares are 10 to 15. So 10 implies nothing but this one: 11, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the don't cares. Now you can minimize the function in this way. This is one method. This is the possible 4 cells can be used, and these two are going to be combined. Okay, so this is sum term 1, this is sum term 2, product this is sum of products, sorry, this is product 1, and this is product 2, P2. Okay, so this is P2 and it is P1. Okay, and this can be combined in this way. This and this can be combined. So this will be giving product 3, and this is unique. So this will be product 4. So now f can be represented as f is equal to, now I will write for the f is equal to, okay, f is equal to, first product 1. Product 1 is going to be consisting of 4 cells. 4 cells is nothing but out of 4 variables 2 will be eliminated. The resultant 2 implies nothing but 1, 1. D8 is going to be common term for that one, and if you are looking horizontally at that time 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So D1 is going to be available, plus this is product 1, D8, D1. Okay, and next second product is nothing but by these two things. At that time P2 is nothing but D4 is common, and here it is D4 D2 D1 bar, D4 D2 D1 bar. Where you are getting those terms, that will be the answer. So here B is going to be the right answer, and the other two terms, first of all you are getting D8 D1, and next term is D4 D2 D1 bar, and the next is nothing but P3. This also you will get. Okay, P3 is nothing but, for this one, this is D4 bar, and 1 1 is nothing but D2 D1, D4 bar D2 D1, third one, and this fourth one itself is nothing but D8 bar D4 bar D2 bar D1 bar. So this answer right for this question is nothing but B. B is the right answer for this one. Thank you.